Hi, today we're going to talk about Powtoons and we're going to learn how to use it. So this is the Powtoons tool that you can find online. So here you can find your Powtoons when you do some of them. Here are the Powtoons that you create. These are the ones that you create. And here you can start making the new ones. So here you have explainer video. You can choose the templates you want, but you have to make sure that they don't say the word pro, because if they say pro, you cannot use them. So for example, this one, you can use it. So let's use this one because it says pro, so we cannot use it. Sorry. We can use this. Let's look for another one that doesn't say pro. For example, this one says 5 tips. So we're going to go back. So let's wait a little bit. So the only ones that you can use are the ones that doesn't say the word pro. So for example, this one doesn't say pro here. You can use it. This one, we can use it too. We can use this too. So you have to be sure that they don't say pro, because if they say pro, they are not allowed for us. So we don't pay. So let's use this one. So we can start editing our video here with the information we want. So we are going to wait a little bit. So here you have the templates. You will see the slides here. And the only thing you have to do is to write or to edit the information you have there. So you click on the words and you can edit them. So we are going to talk about future tense. I don't need this, so I can erase it. We can add effects here. We can add colors. So if we want to do this, we're going to write the effects. We need to take it, let's see, and write. So that will be the effect of this. So you can change here. You can upload images if you want. These are the images that I already upload. So I will use this image. So I have it there. So let's write my student will color in the class tomorrow, for example. So let's go to the next one. You do the same thing. You click on it and you can upload images. You can choose an image, free images here. There are some free images that you can use. So you can write down information about it. You can change the font of the word. You change the fonts here. You choose the font you want. You do it bigger if you want. You change it. Let's use this one. So you can erase information that you don't need, right? And you continue changing out some of the pictures that we don't want, and to adding the information you need to. When you already finish these, also here you can add more templates, more slides. And when you finish this, you can check your video. can see your video there. So it will be easy to edit it because you already have the video done for you. You just have to edit and to put on your own topic. So when you finish, you can preview and you can export it. So if it's ready, you can export it, or if you want to continue looking, or you want to continue editing, you go back and you edit what you want, and then you save it here. So that's easy. And when you save it, you will find it in the Powtoons that you already did. So let's check if it's there. So you have to make sure that if the word says saved, in order to go back. So now you can go back to your workspace and you will see your Powtoons there, and you will see that your video is there. My video is here, so I can edit it, I can export it, and I can share it. And also I can start using marketing video. I can do marketing video. Of course, you have to be sure that they don't say pro, because if they say pro, you cannot use them. So here you have a lot of things to create. You have a lot of tools to use. The only thing to do is to sing in and to start looking for the videos and for the tools that you want and that you need to present in your classes. So I hope this information is useful for you, and that you can start using Powtoons for your classes.